Hello everyone. So in this lecture we are going to study about compiler. So we have all heard about the term compiler in from our first year, that what is C compiler, C++ compiler, Java compiler, then what is a compiler actually, okay? So in this lecture we will go through the introduction, compiler steps, okay, the basics of the compiler steps, okay, means what is the algorithm of the compiler, means how it works. So a compiler, what is a compiler first? Compiler accepts a program written in high level language as input and produces its machine language equivalent as output. So for example, when you are writing a program in C, okay, you have seen that you are writing the program in an IDE, okay, to do a task of addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, whatever you have written it using your high level language, because C is a high level language, so you've written it in a high level language. So you have used if, else, brackets, okay, commas, semicolons, okay, then main functions, hash, dot, many things you have used. So what is the function of the compiler? So whenever you are writing a program, after writing the program, the main work of the compiler is to accept the program written in high level, okay, because C is a high level, and convert the program into the machine understandable code, that is 0-1 concept, okay. So after after writing the program, what steps after you are compiling it? So when you are clicking the button compile, so what is gonna execute, okay, that is the main thing. So suppose a program is written like this, okay, you've written in C, it is PL1 language, okay. Suppose you are writing a program like this, suppose rate start finish declare, suppose it is in this is in different format, okay, declare cost comma rate comma start comma finish, fixed binary, 31 static, cost is equal to rate start minus finish plus whatever program I have written, cost, okay, then end of the program. So this is totally a complete program, okay, written in a language, okay. So after I am clicking the compile button, what steps are followed, okay. So first step is the lexical analysis. So in the lexical analysis, the program will sequentially count the tokens, okay. So token is the basic unit of the program. So here you can say WCM colon procedure, this is the left bracket, okay, then rate comma start comma finish bracket colon declare cost. These are all one simple basic units, and these are all counted by the lexical analysis. This is the first step of the compiler, lexical analysis. So it will count sequentially, means whenever you are compiling, the program will sequentially starts line by line like this, okay, line, then it will end here in the semicolon, okay. So here the program is totally counted and 57 tokens are generated in this phase, okay. So what are the procedures it will follow? In this lecture we will only just discuss about the procedures. We will later we will just elaborate the things, elaborate the lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, okay, the code generation phases, okay, that's all, and the machine codes generation, okay. So what is the first point? Recognizing certain strings as basic elements. For example, cost is a variable, okay. Recognizing the string first. What is that? Cost means what is that? It is a variable. WCM, it is a label. Procedure, it is a keyword. Equal to, it is a operator. Means we have to first find the meaning of it. So recognize, then after a single unit is recognized, okay, in the token form, then we will recognize combinations of elements as syntactic unit and interpret their meaning. First lexical analysis is done, then syntax analysis is done. In the syntax analysis phase, means the combination, okay, means the combination is made, okay. Recognize the combinations means suppose A plus B, it is a operation, A plus B, it is an operation like that. It is a combination, and we have to first find the meaning of it. That is called semantic analysis. First statement is a procedure name with 3 arguments. Next statement defines 4 variables to be fixed binary numbers of 31 bits. We have to find the meaning of that statement. Okay, we will first make a phrase and then finding the meaning. Okay, first the individual word is interpreted. Okay, recognize the individual word, then we are making a phrase, then finding the meaning of it, then allocating storage and assigning location for all variables in this program, then generating the appropriate object code for that. These are all the functions of a compiler. So it is the last step of the compiler. So these are the basics of compiler, and in the next class we will go through in an elaborate manner